we have a lot of like terms. I have a lot of brackets to remove. So the first bracket, I'm just going to remove the brackets, and it's though I have a positive on the outside of this bracket. So none of these signs change. So I'm just going to copy that out. Okay, so equals negative x to the power of 3 so negative x to the power of 3y minus 9x squared y squared plus 7x y to the power of 3. Okay, now this negative is going to come in and change all of these signs. Okay, they're just going to become the opposite. They're each negative to start with, so they're all going to become positive. So plus 2x to the 3y plus 12x squared y squared plus 10x y to the power of 3. Okay, and for the last bracket, when we remove the bracket, this negative is going to come in and change all the signs. And notice, I don't rewrite the brackets. The brackets are gone. Okay, so minus 8x to the power of 3y minus 6x to the power of 2, y to the power of 2. So they just become the opposite of what they were. They were all positive, so they're all becoming negative. So minus 5x y to the power of 3. Okay, now it's time to add like terms. So I'm going to add all my x to the 3 y's together. Okay, so negative x to the power of 3y plus 2x to the power of 3y minus 8x to the power of 3y. So I'm going to add all my positives together. Okay, so that's the 2x to the power of 3y. And then I'm going to put all my negatives together. So I have negative 1 and negative 8. That makes negative 9x to the power of 3y. So 2 and negative 9 make negative 7. So that's negative 7 x to the power of 3y, and then for the x squared y squareds. So negative 9x squared y squared plus 12x squared y squared minus 6x squared y squared. All right, so I have 12 x squared y squareds. Then I'm going to put my negatives together. So negative 9 and negative 6 is negative 15. So I have 12 take away 15, or negative 15 added to 12. So the signs are different. I'm going to subtract. The difference between 12 and 15 is 3. And I'm going to take the sign of the bigger, okay? Not the bigger integer, but the bigger number. So 15 is larger than 12, and it's negative. So our answer is going to be negative. So negative 3x squared y squared. Okay, and then finally it's time for the x y to the power of 3's. Alright, so I have 7x y to the power of 3 plus 10x y to the power of 3 minus 5x y to the power of 3. So I'm going to put my positives together. So I have 7x y to the power of 3 plus 10x y to the power of 3. That's 17. Take away 5. 17 take away 5. X y to the power of 3's are 12. So we have positive 12 x y to the power of 3. All right, and that is it for question number 15. Have a good day.